love you guys.
Grayson is a chicken.
He's my chicken nugget. He'll always be my chicken nugget.
Chicken nugget. Chicken nugget.
Chicken nugget.
My chicken nugget.
That's a bad idea.
My chicken nugget.
Chicken nugget. Chicken nugget. Chicken nugget. YouTube channel. Hey guys, my name is Hayla, and I am YouTube famous.
She is.
And
I can't breathe. And to the trampoline they go.
Ow. Oh, I can't go. What the crap?
We're only allowed to have 2 people on, I guess, at the same time.
Coronavirus.
Hey.
You can be in it. Hi, Miss Maddie.
Hi.
I think you're so adorable.
Thanks.
Ow! Ow! Great.
Sorry.
Wait, ready? Have you seen my new jump item then? My name is Hayla, and I'm YouTube famous, and I'm Instagram famous, and I'm awesome. So you should go follow me on Beauty by Hayla. Follow my Insta.
I missed you guys literally so much. It's not okay.
Who's your friend? Who's your friend? What's up, guys?
I almost got him.
Hayla, do you edit your videos?
Yeah.
With what?
Final Cut Pro.
Say hi, Blake.
No.
Okay.
Hayla.
It's like $100. Blake, I missed you.
Hey, what video editing software do you use?
I use Final Cut Pro.
Final Cut Pro. How much is it annually?
Like $100.
I'm gonna editing software.
I'm just kidding. I think you pay like $100 one time. It's $200. 200.
What about a lifetime purchase?
200.
Okay, I'm not getting it then.
I miss you.
I need
What? A microphone?
Yeah.
Can I like?
Come here.
Can I shove it up my mouth?
You. Come here. The wind filter.
I use a
Ew, you're so gross. It's not an ASMR. This is just a vlog.
Welcome back to my ASMR. Today
Boom. Mama boy.
L.
No, you just shoved it in
Consume
my
the
mouth.
rest.
Oh yeah, we're so hot.
Hey, honey, you're not allowed to say that.
Glass on the mirror look ugly.
Because I'm looking in it. Is that the joke?
Hi.
Pussycat. I need to edit that out.
You.
Hayla, guess what I have to eat for a pop?
Oh, like
Take that
YouTube.
garbage can, throw it in the dump, incinerate it, burn it, launch its ashes into space, blow up that rocket.
Wait, going out in the
Yeah, it is. Guys, I have to edit all of that.
everywhere.
Out. How?
That's gonna take forever.
Then we can do a redo.
You know, like editing.
Cutting things out isn't hard though.
You want to do it for me?
Yeah, sure.
Really?
Yeah,
You can help me edit it.
I can cut things out of the video.
Can I have the camera and point
Like,
it
I
at
love
someone?
you.
I've edited videos before.
You have?
Yeah.
Edits my videos.
Please. Except I can't find any good software that works for you.
just point it at people, please?
Okay.
But I do know how to edit.
Promise me that you won't.
I
drop
won't.
it.
I won't.
Grayson,
I can edit your video. Hey, Hayla.
Okay, Tatum, come on.
Hayla.
Do it with me.
Hayla.
Right, left, right.
I can edit your videos.
You can?
Yeah.
I'll pay you.
Grayson, we're all gonna throw you off the cliff if you drop the camera.
Skateboard!
You crazy little chicken nuggets.
Please skateboard.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, just left.
Now it's 12 o'clock.